News Pinpoint Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
It is Sunday, the very first Sunday of August, and if you haven't noticed, stuff's getting a little bit warmer by the day, but really, we ain't seen nothing yet because yes, we're going to be a little bit warmer today at or slightly above seasonal averages, but then the real heat is going to come in the middle of this week when we could potentially break some temperature records, but it really doesn't feel like it's going to be that type of day yet. If you look at San Diego right now, we're gray from our marine layer clouds. Our temperatures are really mild. Some sweater weather in some spots, seeing lots of low to mid 60s on the coast. Some of our inland neighborhoods still really chilly. Ramona at just 49 degrees right now. But gradually, we're going to notice stuff warming up. Now, for most of us, you're going to start to see those marine layer clouds go away. You're going to see the sun come out in between 8 to 9 a.m. If you're right next to the water, a place like the beach or downtown San Diego, it could be closer to 10 a.m. But in either case, the sun is going to come out, and we're going to see this beautiful day. But you can see what I mean when I say some of us are going to be a little bit hot today. Not too bad in San Diego. Really nice beach weather with a high of 76. Whole coastline reaching around the mid 70s. And then our inland neighborhoods today are reaching up close to that 90-degree mark, forecasting a high of 90 for El Cajon, 88 for Escondido and Poway. Mountains reaching up close to 90, and then the deserts are getting as hot as 112 today. And it just goes to show that when it gets warmer, we really need to be careful. We've seen some brush fires break out because we're entering peak wildfire season. Now, wildfire season itself is year-round in Southern California, but when we get to the summer, it gets a little more dangerous because we have a couple ingredients in what's called the fire behavior triangle. We have weather, heat being the big part of that right now. Of course, terrain does play a role, but where we always run into trouble 365 days a year is with our fuels, our vegetation. 100% of the county still facing severe or extreme drought, which means stuff is so dry that it doesn't take a very special event in order for fires to break out. That's why you see these fire risk maps where it's really obvious that there's some risk in the deserts where it's hot and the humidity is less than 10%. But then we've also seen fires break out in places like Rancho Bernardo. So it's just a good reminder, be careful about this stuff. Cal Fire says 95% of fires are started by humans. It can be stuff as small as where you throw away a cigarette, so make sure you have a defensible space, some type of emergency kit, and most importantly, some type of plan if a fire does break out. Now, I mentioned that we're going to get hotter in the middle of the week, and that's because this area of high pressure, it's already warming us up a little bit, and then it intensifies for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's why San Diego goes from a high of 76 for today up to a high of 79 on Wednesday, and by Thursday, the coastline is reaching up near 80 degrees, so it is going to be sunny and it is going to be warm. For our inland neighborhoods, things are going to get a little uncomfortable. High of 90 today, it's already hot enough, but you get to Thursday, we're seeing most neighborhoods that are going to enter the mid-90s, just a few degrees shy of triple digits for a lot of neighborhoods once we get to Thursday. The mountains are seeing roughly the same thing. They're a little bit gusty, and that's not going to stop, so you're going to be a little hot and a little breezy as highs get into the low to mid-90s, especially Thursday, hottest day of the week. And then there are the deserts. Here's where we could break a record. 116 expected for Thursday. That is really hot, so get ready for the heat because it's reaching the entire county this week.